Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma physics channel. Dear students, I'm going to deliver a lecture in two versions. One is in English and other is in English. I mean Hindi and English combination. So let's go with the English version. I'm going to teach you progressive waves. Well, students, to understand progressive waves, this is going to be some theoretical tips I'm going to discuss with you. The first tip is, due to frictional forces, present in the medium, you will put a question, what is the meaning of frictional forces present in the medium? In the medium, frictional forces means the viscous force, viscous drag. Air has got a viscous drag, and it is the viscous drag, that is called a frictional forces present in the medium. Wave motion will die out soon. Like when a wave is created in the material medium or medium, so what happens? It dies out after traveling certain distance. Why it dies out after certain traveling distance? The reason is that there is a viscous force, frictional, F-R-I-C-I-T-I-O-N. There is frictional forces, right? Frictional forces, or you can also call it viscous forces. So these forces are present in the medium, and the particles of the medium oscillate continuously. In the situation, that disturbance produced in the medium is called progressive wave. See, look students, when a wave is created, it dies out after traveling certain distance. When it dies out after traveling certain distance, why it dies out? Because there is going to be viscous force, frictional forces. But if in this disturbance, the disturbance is produced in the medium, is called progressive wave. An important characteristics of progressive wave can be demonstrated by doing a simple experiment. Take some pieces of corks, place them in different points on the surface of the water. Suppose there is a trough of water, right? And we place cork at different positions, right? CORKS. Now, what happens? A wave is produced, then these corks will move up, down, up, down. It will start moving up and down, from their mean position, from their position where they have been placed. So where they have been placed, they will start moving up and down. When it will start moving up and down, then students, what happens? A wave is created. Hope it is clear. Because the material is disturbed, the cork is behaving like the part of the material, so it is also moving up and down, up and down, up and down. As a result of this, what happens? There is going to be a disturbance which travels from one end to the other end. So the cock starts oscillating about their positions up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is how the wave is traveling. So now different cocks will be in different phases. This cock will be in different phase. Phase means PHAS. It will be in the different phase, right? When a progressive wave propagates in a medium, then at any instant, what happens, students? All the particles of the medium oscillate in the same way, but the phase is different. Like all the particles will oscillate like this, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, but their phase will be different. Like one particle is here, suppose disturbance travels, one particle is here, other is here. When it is here, it is here. So this oscillate in the same manner but in different phase. So this is how a progressive wave is formed, right? So I repeat once again, due to frictional forces present in the medium, wave motion will die out soon. However, if we generate waves in a medium continuously, means we keep on generating the waves continuously, then the particles of the medium oscillate continuously and the disturbance travels continuously. Such a wave formed is called progressive wave. Okay, and the particles of the medium is up and down about their mean position, right? So this is all about the progressive wave, and particles oscillate up and down in the same manner, but one is in this phase, other is down phase, means their phase of vibration is different. This is all about progressive wave.